Welcome to El Raval, a neighborhood in Barcelona known for its vibrant nightlife scene, with everything from rooftop bars to underground clubs. Be sure to subscribe for more travel content and follow us on social media to stay updated on the best spots to visit. Let's start our tour of the best bars and clubs to visit in El Raval. From cocktail bars to dance clubs, we'll explore it all. Our first stop is a rooftop bar with stunning views of the city, where you can enjoy a cocktail and take in the sights and sounds of the neighborhood. The bar is located on the top floor of a historic building and offers a wide range of drinks and snacks. It's the perfect spot to start your night out in El Raval. Next, we'll head to a popular club that's known for its live music and dancing. The club features a wide range of music styles, from rock to electronic, and has a large dance floor where you can let loose and have fun. It's a great spot to meet new people and make some unforgettable memories. After dancing the night away, we'll head to a nearby bar that's famous for its craft beers and delicious pub food. The bar has a cozy atmosphere and a wide range of drinks to choose from. It's the perfect spot to grab a bite to eat and relax with friends. Another great spot in El Raval is a cocktail bar that's known for its creative drinks and expert bartenders. The bar has a sophisticated atmosphere and a wide range of cocktails to choose from. It's a great spot to impress a date or celebrate a special occasion. If you're looking for a unique nightlife experience, be sure to check out a flamenco club in El Raval. The club features live flamenco music and dancing, and has a passionate and energetic atmosphere. It's a great spot to experience the local culture and have a memorable night out. El Raval is also home to a number of underground clubs that are popular with locals and tourists alike. These clubs often feature live music and DJs, and have a fun and energetic atmosphere. They're a great spot to meet new people and have a wild night out. In addition to its many bars and clubs, El Raval is also home to a number of restaurants and cafes that are open late. These spots are perfect for grabbing a bite to eat or a coffee after a night out, and offer a wide range of options to suit all tastes and budgets. As we continue our tour of El Raval's nightlife, we'll visit a bar that's known for its retro decor and classic cocktails. The bar has a fun and lively atmosphere, and is a great spot to take photos and enjoy a drink with friends. Next, we'll head to a popular spot for karaoke and live music. The bar has a wide range of songs to choose from, and a fun and energetic atmosphere. It's a great spot to let loose and have fun with friends. As the night wears on, we'll visit a club that's known for its electronic music and dancing. The club has a large dance floor and a wide range of drinks to choose from. It's a great spot to dance the night away and have a wild time. El Raval is also home to a number of bars that specialize in gin and tonic. These bars have a wide range of gins and tonics to choose from, and expert bartenders who can help you choose the perfect drink. They're a great spot to relax and enjoy a drink with friends. In the heart of El Raval, there's a bar that's known for its unique decor and creative cocktails. The bar has a fun and quirky atmosphere, and is a great spot to take photos and enjoy a drink with friends. As we near the end of our tour, we'll visit a rooftop bar with stunning views of the city. The bar has a wide range of drinks to choose from, and a fun and lively atmosphere. It's a great spot to take in the sights and sounds of the neighborhood and enjoy a drink with friends. If you're looking for a unique nightlife experience, be sure to check out a bar that's known for its live jazz music. The bar has a sophisticated atmosphere and a wide range of drinks to choose from. It's a great spot to relax and enjoy some live music. El Raval is a neighborhood that's full of life and energy, and its nightlife scene is no exception. With everything from rooftop bars to underground clubs, there's something for everyone in this vibrant and exciting neighborhood. As the night wears on, we'll visit a club that's known for its hip-hop music and dancing. The club has a large dance floor and a wide range of drinks to choose from. It's a great spot to dance the night away and have a wild time. El Raval is a neighborhood that's always on the go, and its nightlife scene is no exception. With new bars and clubs opening all the time, there's always something new to explore and discover in this vibrant and exciting neighborhood. As we near the end of our tour, be sure to like and comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel content and follow us on social media to stay updated on the best spots to visit. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for joining us on this tour of El Raval's nightlife. We hope you've enjoyed exploring the neighborhood's best bars and clubs, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, and we'll catch you in the next one.